Hi student, myself D.K. Narale, working as an assistant professor in Department of Chemistry, Gopal Krishna Gokhale College, Kolhapur. Today going to discuss Coordination Chemistry BSc 2 semester 4 paper number chemistry paper number 7. Last two videos discussed the introduction, distinguish between double salt, complex salt, Werner's theory, terms, description of terms, IUPAC nomenclature of coordination compound. In this video, isomerism in complex with coordination number 4 and 6 and geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism and structural isomerism with 5 types of structural isomerism we will study in this video. Stereochemistry of coordination compounds. Isomers means compounds have the same molecular formula, same chemical formula, but different structure. From this same chemical formula and different structure, divided into two types of the isomers: structural isomer and stereoisomer. Structural isomers the have atom have same chemical formula, have different connectivities. Stereoisomer atoms have the same connectivities but different spatial arrangement. These structural isomer divided into 6 types: ionization isomer, hydrate isomer, coordination isomer, coordinate position isomer, linkage isomer, and polymerization. In stereoisomer divided into geometric isomer and optical isomers. Geometric isomer is defined as ligand have different spatial arrangements about metal ion. Geometrical isomer are also known as cis-trans isomer. Optical isomers compounds are non-superimposable mirror image. Isomer have same molecular formula, but their atoms are arranged either in a different order or structural isomer or spatial arrangement known as a stereoisomers. Geometrical isomers are also known as a cis-trans isomers. The stereoisomers which have same chemical formula but different arrangement of ligand or atom or group in space around the central metal atom or ion is known as geometrical isomer. When ligands or atom or group occupy adjacent position in this diagram, adjacent position the corresponding isomer is known as cis isomer. These example, these two are the adjacent or same side, that is known as a cis isomer. Whereas if ligands or atom or groups occupy position opposite to each other is known as trans isomer. In this diagram, these are opposite, A are opposite to each other, B opposite to each other. That's called as a trans isomers or trans compound or trans complex. Geometrical isomer is observed with coordination number 4 and coordination number 6. Coordination number 4, for coordination number 4, possible structure will be tetrahedral or square planar. Tetrahedral geometry does not show geometrical isomer, that is cis-trans isomer, but square planar geometry shows geometrical, that is cis-trans isomer with formula, different type of formula with number of ligand is 4. First type, metal with A2, B2. A are same ligand or B2 are same. These two are ligands are unidentate ligands. Second type A2BC. Third type, all four ligands are different. Fourth, metals with A minus A dash B2, that is a chelating agent. In this diagram shows square planar A2B2, these AABB. These are the adjacent, AA are the adjacent to the central metal atom and BB the adjacent. That's why these are the cis isomer, and these are the opposite side of the central metal atom. Then these are the trans isomer. Example, and this A2BC is AA and BC. These are the cis, and these two A same ligands are the opposite of the central metal. These trans ligand, and all different ABCD. These are the different isomers. First type, metal A2B2 type. In cis isomer, the two similar ligands are arranged adjacent to each others, whereas in trans isomer, the two similar ligands are arranged opposite to each other. These are the trans isomer. The example is diamine dichloroplatinum. Platinum is these complexes cis because of the adjacent to each other, and these platinum complex these are the opposite to each other. That's why trans isomer. Second type is Ma2BC. This in cis isomer, two similar ligand are arranged adjacent to each other, whereas in trans isomer, these two similar ligand are arranged to opposite to each other. Geometrical isomer is palladium dichlorobromine palladium 2 pallidate 2. This cis isomer, this trans isomer. Third type, all ligands are different. The complex of this type, when all the four ligands are different. Three geometrical isomer are possible square planar complexes. Platinum with ammonia, pyridine, chlorine, bromine. First type shows only change of the ligand. Ammonia as it is, then the chlorine is here, pyridine is here, then the chlorine here, pyridine and bromines. Only change the position of pyridine, chlorine and bromine in three isomers. Last type, Ma-B2 type. In this complex Ma-B2 type, M is the central metal atom and A and B is unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. The cis and trans form of this complex, this type of complex is glyoxymethyl-platinate, whereas gly stands for glycino ligand. This abbreviated in O and with a dash. These two are the cis isomer, and because of N are the adjacent, O are the adjacent, but in this complex N are opposite to each other, O are opposite to each other. That's why the trans isomer. Coordination number 6, complex with coordination number 6 are octahedral in shape. Octahedral complex of the type Ma6, because of all ligands are the same, and Ma5b do not show geometrical isomer because of these all ligand are same. That's why it does not show the geometrical isomerism as similar to Me5b complex. Different spatial arrangement of ligand are not possible. Octahedral geometry shows that is cis trans isomer with formula total 7 types. These are the 7 types. First type Ma4b2 type cis isomer is obtained when ligand B occupied adjacent 1 and 2 position. When trans isomer is occupied obtained when ligand B are opposite to each other shown in figure. These are B are 1 2 position. These are the cis, but B 1 and 6 are the opposite to each other. That's why the cis isomer, trans isomer. Example of the cis trans form of cobalt complexes. For these two are adjacent, that's why cis isomer, but these two are the opposite to each other, that's why trans isomer. Second type Ma2b2c2 type, that is platinate with 3 ligands, unidentate 3 ligands. Total shows 5 isomers. Cl opposite to each other, that's why these are the opposite. Trans isomer, these also trans isomer, these also trans isomer, these also trans isomer, only this is the cis isomer. Next type is Ma3b3 type. Example of facial and meridional. This angle 1 2 3 shows the facial isomers. Also 4 5 6 shows isofacial isomer, but in meridional or trans isomer shows this triangle 1 1 2 6 and 3 4 5 are shows the trans or meridional isomer. Last fourth type, metal with all ligand. Here in all total 15 isomer are possible, out of which only 3 have been isolated in all different ligands in the type of isomer, geometrical isomer in coordination number 6. Example of platinum with different ligands. Fifth type, metal with A2, where A are bidentate symmetrical ligand, that is dichloro bisethylene diamine cobalt 3. This cis isomer, these are the cis isomer 1 2 or 3 6, and these are the cis isomer, but in these are the opposite to each other, these are the opposite to each other, and also Cl. Sorry, these are the cis, but the Cl opposite 1 to 6 are the trans isomer. Sixth type Ma2b2. Example CO ethylene diamine amine dichloro. In this ligand, this is isomer 1 2 position Cl is cis. These 3 and 6 are the cis, and 4 5 are also cis. But in this isomer Cl opposite to each other, that's why trans isomer. These are the cis, but these complex is 1 and 6 position Cl is trans, that's why this complex is trans. Last type M into A minus B 3, where A and B are the bidentate unsymmetrical ligand. Complex is cobalt complex. These are the cis, because cis also facial cis, and these are the cis. but in this OO are the opposite to each other, that's why this complex is trans. Optical isomer, the stereoisomer which have same chemical formula but different arrangement of ligand or atom or group in space around the central metal atom or ion in such way that one is the mirror image of each other, cannot be superimposed on each other, is known as optical isomer, and isomer thus obtained known as optical isomer or enantiomer. In this image shows the non these superimposable image, but these are the opposite to each other. Left hand and this left hand mirror image of the this shows the front to front side. Condition of the optical isomers, a complex should be asymmetric. The different arrangement of ligand in space around central metal atom or ion such a way that one is the mirror image of other and cannot be superimposed on each other. Optical activity, symmetry elements such as axis of rotating reflection, plane of symmetry, center of symmetry, each must be absent in complexes. Then the compound is optical active. Three symmetries, axis symmetry, plane of symmetry and center of symmetry absent in the complex, then the complex is optical active. D and L form, if plane polarized light is rotated to left, it is called a Leo rotatory form, that is L form, while if plane polarized light is rotated to right, it is called a dextroform or D form. Racemic mixture, when 50% L form and 50% D form are present in solution, then it is known as racemic mixture, that is DL form. This solution is optically inactive due to external compensation. Optical isomerism with coordination number 4. For coordination 4, possible structure will be tetrahedral or square planar. In tetrahedral, first tetrahedral complexes of Ma4 and Ma3b type does not show optical activity. In condition, all ligands are asymmetric, but in these are the same or symmetric. That's why these type of the complex does not show optical active. But M, A, B, C, D, all 4 ligands are different type, shows optical isomer. Arsenic complexes, these 4 ligands are different. This mirror image of these arsenic complexes shows, this mirror shows the optical isomer mirror image of this arsenic to these arsenic complexes. In second type of square planar complexes, in square planar complexes all the 4 ligand and central metal atom lie in the same plane, therefore they possess plane or axis of symmetry and are generally not chiral in nature. Hence optical isomer is not common in square planar complexes and is very rarely observed. B. Optical isomerism with coordination number 6. Optical isomerism is more common in 6 coordination compound, that is in octahedral complexes. First, octahedral complexes containing only monodentate ligand. The octahedral complexes of type Ma4b2, Ma3b3, Ma2b2c2, Ma2b2 CD and Ma2BCDE and last is MABCDEF does not optical isomerism because these type are optically inactive. But in second, octahedral complexes containing one or more symmetrical bidentate ligand, or that is chelating ligands, if an octahedral complexes contains one or more bidentate or chelating ligands, it is optical active. Type complex 1 complex of type MAA3. In this type 3 symmetrical bidentate chelating ligands AA- are coordinated to the central metal atom M. Example of this complex is chromium oxalato, as similar abbreviated as OX. These are the OX chromium with OX oxalato. This mirror image of this complex is this, as similar to this. Second type complex of the type MAA-2A2, the complex in which two symmetrical bidentate ligand, chelating ligand, and two monodentate ligand A are coordinated to central metal atom M, exhibit the phenomenon of optical isomerism. Example: dichlorobisethylene diamine cobalt 3 shows both geometrical as well as optical isomerism. Its cis form is unsymmetrical while the trans form is symmetrical because it contains plane of symmetry. This cis form shows the optical isomerism because of the does not going to plane of symmetry, but in trans going to plane of symmetry. Say last type M into A2B2 type. This complex cis diamine dichloro ethylene diamine cobalt 3 ion. These are the mirror image to cis complexes, shows the mirror image to each other. Complex containing hexadentate ligand can be resolved into optical isomer. Example: cobalt with ethylene diamine tetraacetate ion. These D form, these are the similar. This mirror image of the D form to L form. This the EDTA complex with cobalt mirror image of this complex. The optical isomerism is also observed in polynuclear complexes. The bridging ligand, they shows the dextroform, leoform, and optically inactive because of the going to plane of symmetry. Next, the second type, structural isomerism, shows 5 types. First type, ionization isomerism, the isomerism in which isomer have the same chemical formula but produces different ion in the solution. In this shows same chemical formula but produces different ion. In this complex shows NO2 in coordination pair but SO4 is out of coordination pair. But in this SO4 is in coordination pair but NO2 is out of coordination pair. That's why produces different ion in the solution, is known as ionization isomerism, and isomers thus obtained are known as an ionization isomers. It is also known as ion-ion exchange isomers. These are the examples. This shows, the second example shows Cl2 Br2. Cl is coordination pair, Br2 shows ions. In this same chemical formula, Br2 shows in coordination pair but Cl2 shows the ions. Second type, linkage isomerism, the isomerism in which isomer have the same chemical formula but different in the linkage of ligand to the central metal atom or ion is known as linkage isomerism, and isomer thus obtained known as a linkage isomer. In this complex shows NO2 Cl and ONO2 nitrito. Ligand is same but the donor atom is 2. They That type of ligand is known as ambidentate ligand. Here in this complex, N is directly linked to cobalt, but in this same ligand, O is coordinated with the cobalt. This type of ligand is known as ambidentate ligand. Third type, uh, coordination isomerism. The isomerism in which isomer have the same chemical formula but different in the interchange of ligand between cationic and anionic entities in the complex is known as coordination isomer, and isomer thus obtained are known as coordination isomer. In these two complexes, first complex is positive and second is negative, then in this positive and negative, that's why known as a coordination isomerism. Fourth type, hydrate isomerism, solvate, also known as solvate isomerism. The isomerism in which isomer have the same chemical formula but different in number of molecules of H2O inside and outside of the coordination sphere is known as hydrate or solvate isomerism, and the isomer thus obtained are known as hydrate or solvate isomerism. In this, all these example shows in coordinations hydrate, then one hydrate removed by Cl, then again one hydrate is removed by Cl, and these are the hydrated molecules. Fifth type, coordination position isomerism. This type of isomerism in which isomer have the same chemical formula but different in the arrangement of the ligand relative to metal ion in the bridged or complex is known as coordination isomerism, and the isomerism obtained known as coordination position isomerism. In these two example, first example, this shows coordination bridging coordination position bridging ligand. In this also bridging ligand, also OH Cl, and also this Cl. Thank you for listening.